everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another Pottery barn dupe, and this time guys, we are going to make over a Kmart mirror to make it look like a Pottery barn ball mirror. I hope you enjoy. These ball mirrors are so on trend at the moment guys, and I truly love them. I just don't like their price tag. They can retail up to $1,700, and that definitely is not in Chelle's budget. So I started with the idea of a trip to Kmart where I come across this beautiful oak look around mirror. It's 80 centimeters around guys, and it retails for just $45. I then headed to their toy section and I came across this packet of 100 plastic balls, and they were just $9. Now after bringing everything home, I got everything set up ready to start painting the balls. Now I'm going to take the balls outside and give them 2 coats of this beautiful gloss mocha. Now this particular paint guys is great for painting on your plastics, on any type of surface, so it was really good for that. Now once they were completely dry, I took the mirror out of the box and I decided guys that I wasn't really happy with the colour. I wanted the mirror to have that very whitewash look. It already had that about the mirror, but I wanted the balls to have a very similar texture to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some white paint, and with a very dry brush I'm just going to go over each individual ball. Now the key here is to have a very minimal on your brush. You'll see here on the first ball I actually put too much paint on it, which I corrected afterwards, but you'll see further on that I actually just dry brush very lightly over each ball, and it will give that sort of dusty effect to the ball. Now guys, I should have absolutely wore gloves in this video, but I didn't, and I certainly learnt from it when trying to take paint off my hands, but I will definitely do that in future. So now the balls are definitely looking so much more whitewashed. I'm just going over and just adjusting where I needed to. But I love how these are just toy balls guys, and I was able to put these around the mirror. Now while they were drying, I just wanted to add some white paint around the mirror as well. A very, very light dusting, so it had an extra whitewashed effect as well. I then took my Gorilla Glue and I then glued on each of the balls. Now I didn't measure between each ball guys, I just looked at it and went, yes, I like the look of that, but it's entirely up to you if you want to measure between each ball. And here is my Pottery barn inspired designer dupe mirror. I'm so happy with how it came. Just by taking a few Kmart ideas, I was able to create a Pottery barn look for less. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decorating. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Guys, leave me a comment down below if you love to do a DIY where you get a look for less. I absolutely love sharing with you DIY projects where you can get a designer look on a budget. I love to look at ideas and think outside the box when it comes to decorating my home. And I love that Kmart Australia has affordable pieces that I can take up to another level just by taking a few simple ideas. Who would have thought, guys, by just taking some toy balls, I could create a designer looking mirror for less? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing a DIY designer dupe on a budget. So guys, don't forget, if you could give me a big thumbs up, it truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And don't forget to tap your notification bells. I upload every Sunday morning, guys. So if you'd love to see another video from me, don't forget to tap your notification bells so you'll be aware next time I upload. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.